Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatimah Nur Aisyah Fauzan. I will presentation my PowerPoint entitled Text Structure. Text structure refers to how information is organized in a passage. The structure of a text can change many times in a work and even within a paragraph. This strategy helps students understand that a text might present a main idea and details, a cause and then its effects, and or different views of a topic. Teaching students to recognize common text structures can help students monitor their comprehension. Text structure is the way an author organizes information in order to achieve a purpose. By explicitly teaching students the characteristics of specific text structure and providing them with target practice opportunities, student comprehension of text encountered across the curriculum may improve. 5 types of informational text structure. The vast majority of texts are written for one or more of these three purposes. The first one is to make an argument, and then to inform, and the last is to tell a story. To achieve these purposes, authors use one or more of the following 5 text structures. The description, sequence or instruction or process, cause or effects, compare or contrast, and then problem or solution. First one is description. This is pretty straightforward. Texts that use this structure simply describe something. With few exceptions, these texts also present plenty of details about what they are describing. A text using this structure might also to tell you why something is being described, and then to tell you why the described topic is important, and then provide examples of the described topics. Descriptive texts are everywhere. It can be in novels, work of literary nonfiction, news articles, science textbook, and etc., which makes sense because the entire point of description is to present information. The next is sequence or instruction or process. This text structure covers a few purposes. Sequential instruction. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Do this, then do that, and finally do this. Chronological events. This happened, then this happened, then this happened, and etc. And last is argument that use evidence to support a claim, presenting evidence from least to most convincing. When students read or write a text with this structure, order is key. Texts that use this format usually don't present any event or instruction out of order, as doing so would make its direction more difficult to follow. As a ludicrous examples, imagine a cake recipe in which preheating the oven is the last step. It would just be confusing and outright purely written instructions just are not worth your time. Here is a non-exhaustive list of words and phrases that indicate a text follows the sequence or instruction for a process text structure. You can read it by yourself. The next is cause or effects. Cause or effects text structures explain well causes and effects. Sounds pretty simple, but words that use this structure can become complex when an effect has multiple causes. Students will encounter complex examples of cause effects when they read historical texts. Many events in history had more than one cause, all relate in ways that can be difficult to unpack. Right? Here is a non-exhaustive list of words and phrases that indicate a text follows cause or effects text structure. And then compare or contrast. This text structure involves a comparison involving multiple things, revealing how they are similar and how they are different. Make sure your students know that contrasting two or more things doesn't necessarily mean identifying them as either good or bad. Comparison simply relay the differences. Therefore, one thing could have both positive and negative traits. Here is a non-exhaustive list of words and phrases that indicate a text follows the compare or contrast text structure. And the last is problem or solution. This text structure involves two parts. The other identifies a problem and the others details a solution to this problem. Problem or solution can be a very complex text structure as it necessitates the use of other structures too. Clearly, the others needs to describe the problem. The others would likely also explain the causes and effects of the problem in order to argue in favor and of their solution. Okay, it's all my explanation about text structure. I'm sorry if I made mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.